This is my skin fade on a chav that you hate. It's 4:57, you're sweeping up after a long day of bashing. And the town chav has just walked in, filling the shop with smoke, followed by the words, "Yes, my G." I guess you don't really have a choice in this situation. Cape him up or get your face smashed in. "Have you got your mask?" you ask politely. Out comes the Stone Island 2020 autumn-winter crinkle metal down face shield. Of course he's asked for a skin fade. Why else would he be here? At which point, you daydream about ending the cunt right there and then. Since he's here every week, luckily it's already short, so we should get it over and done with relatively quickly. And as we want him out of my chair and out of my shop ASAP, I'm giving him a 1mm fade instead. The idiot won't notice the difference anyway. Start with the lever closed and make the first guideline, removing everything below the line. Clean up the guideline to make it tidy, even and symmetrical. Put on the number 1 guard and move up about an inch from the first guideline. In between this, the chav might be getting some nicotine withdrawals, so may try to light a cigarette mid-cut. Swiftly and sternly let that horrible pikey know that that's not happening. Once you've got a clear separation between the closed guard and the number 1, open the lever to blend out the guide in between. Clipper over comb the weight at the parietal ridge and smooth out with some light scissor over comb. Finish off with some details with the foils, the knife and shave his neck, ensuring not to accidentally on purpose slice his jugular. Style him up with some serious wet look gel and give thanks to the heavens that it's almost over. But just one more thing. Of course he's forgotten his wallet, so tell him you're going to take his likely fake gold chain as compensation whilst he goes to the cash point, and try not to shit yourself. Spoiler alert. He never comes back.